Hi everybody, Cindy A. Lewis here. Welcome. Today was my birthday and I'm recording this before live for tomorrow's posting. So it's actually Wednesday, February 26th. But today on my birthday, my husband had to go to a follow-up visit to the doctor, so we went to do that. And then we had a little tiny breakfast and went to the Family Treasures Antique Mall in Broken Arrow, Oklahoma. And we found a few things that I thought it would be nice to share with you. And so that's what I have right here. This haul is a vintage find haul. And I didn't get a picture of the place. I've shared it before and I meant to do it, but we were in there quite a while. And Tuesday's a good day to go vintage shopping because there's not a lot of people in there, so it's kind of quiet and you can just look at your heart's desire. So let me show you what all I got, and I'll tell you some of the things are really amazing finds. Some things are not necessarily vintage, but crafty related, which are the things that I always look for. So this big bag here is full of ribbon, and they called it Easter ribbon because the pastel colors. So I'm going to show you what all is in here, and I get to go put it up in my bin over there to organize it. But there's some pinks here, so pretty, and there's quite a bit in here. Oh, this is in another bag, just a second. A bag inside a bag. And there's some purple and light pinks and a kind of a rose, dusty rose color. And then a few more. And then a little white and that soft green. Now, these were about $5 for the whole thing. So, you know, even if you bought them for $1 a piece, I got more than that. And I use ribbon all the time, especially in with tags and my junk journals and everything. And so I thought this was a great find and wanted to share that with you. Let's see what else. Not sure how he bagged everything. All right, another thing that I always look for are vintage books because I love using the pages that are in them for junk journals. And I consider that like an upcycling and making something beautiful out of something that may have not gone very far, may have ended up in a trash bin. So this is a hymnal, an old hymnal, and I love putting music into my journals. So this is from 1941, so it's pretty amazing. Yeah. And then I supposedly moved a whole box of patterns, but they had some patterns at the vintage mall, and so antique mall, so I picked up some. So this one is a Butterwick. Look how cute. And then this one is Simplicity, and another Simplicity. I think I actually had this one at some point, and then this one. So I love using patterns, and the paper is amazing. It adds a different texture, and so got those. Then I found this vintage pattern book, and this is crochet. I don't really crochet. My mother did a lot. That was her thing. You know, she loved to do that, and she would make little things to give away. Her recent, you know, before she passed, she was into making little phone holders that you could just hang on your like mirror or something in your car, and she made those and gave them away everywhere. She sure did. So anyway, these are some pattern books that I found from this says it was 10 cents. Look inside. It's pretty awesome. So let me see. The pages would be fun to use, and it smells like it's been around 1942. And then this one is from I don't see a date on it. It does look more recent than that one, but it was only 10 cents also, so somebody took really good care of their things. And you know, I treasure these things that someone else kept for so long. It's just amazing. So, and then this one is called Old and New Favorites, and it's from 1952. So anyway, these things are very precious to me, and so that's another reason I like putting them into my journals, because I feel like it's just giving new life. Anyway, all right, if you'd like, we can do a separate video of a flip through on these old magazines. I love finding Life Look magazines, and this one is the Post, Saturday Evening Post from 1954. It is humongous, and it was 15 cents in 1954. And then this one is from 1967, and I just love it. So anyway, if you'd like a flip through, let me know. I'm not going to take the time to do that now. All right, a show that my son and I watched way back when was called The Office, and so I found this little collectible of the miniature dolls. It's a Fisher-Price set. It's adorable. Anyway, so it's kind of one of those things. I don't know if anybody else watches that show. I mean, it could get a little risque, you know, but it was funny. Okay, so Minnesota Vikings. This is for a friend of ours, and we thought we'd get it for him, so he, you know, he's special. Let's see. Then look who this is. It's I Dream of Jeannie, and it's a Matchbox car. Now the packaging is a little torn up, but her car says I Dream of Jeannie, and she's sitting on the back of it. And there's apparently more of them. And I don't know when they put these out, but I have an I Dream of Jeannie like Barbie doll. It's stored. I probably should get it out and put it up with my Lucy stuff. Just scoot her in there. All right, so this container has a ton of seam binding and rickrack and everything, and so I just bought the whole thing. You can see there's a lot in here that is awesome, and plus it's vintage, so that makes it even more special to me. Do any of you ever go shopping like at flea markets or antique malls and look for these things, or am I the only one? I don't know. Then I found this table runner. It's kind of got a torn place in it, but it's really long. And can you imagine how much of this we could use in journals? It was only $3. And so I thought, well, this I would cut up and use in journals. So got that. All right. Then I picked up this basket for $5. Well, it was on sale half price. So it was $5 and on sale half price. So I got a cool basket. And lastly, for my son, got the Big Bang Clue game. I didn't even know they had a Clue game for Big Bang Theory. So anyway, that is what I got. What would you have picked up out of all of this? Just wondering. All right, well, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, I will see you later.